Hello everyone, I am Anjali Dayama from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Our product is Fuyor. Fuyor is a conveyor belt, so its name is derived from FOO, that is food, and YOR, it is of conveyor. So it makes the name Fuyor. Let the good times roll. So let us see about the product. Mission statement. Our mission is to give our customer a great fine dine experience with the use of high value technology. Introduction part of Fuyor. The idea of our project includes serving food on conveyor belts. The customer can sit and scan on the QR code on the table, which will have the contents of the menu. Click on the dish they need, it will directly be delivered to them through the conveyor belt, and this would help to reduce the labor cost. Objective and planning. Objective of our product is that to provide the food through the conveyor belt. It is the main objective, and planning is that the people will get more technical knowledge and will able to use the technical things easily. How will our restaurant function? Customer can check the menu by scanning on QR code on the table and then place their order by clicking the dish they want. The chef will get the order and soon the customer will receive their dish. The order will then directly reach the customer through the conveyor belt. So its working is so easy. There will be no contact between the chef and the customer. So chef will be ready with their dish according to the order which are placed by their customer. Our process is like: step 1, setting up the restaurant in the location where everyone can reach. So restaurant should be in the main market or on that place where everyone can reach easily through auto rickshaws, bus, or any other vehicle can be reached there easily. Step 2, setting the marketing strategies. So there should be a proper marketing strategies which is needed to be made. Because of the competition, we have to survive in the market for a longer period of time, and our business should be ongoing. So the market strategies are must. Step 3, finalizing the budget for the plan. We have to finalize the budget for the plan, all the expenses related to the conveyor belt. So it is the important thing. Step 4, finally the establishing the restaurant. Execution of plan is must. Only planning cannot do anything. Execution and implementation must be done properly. SWOT analysis. Strength of the Fuyor. The conveyor belt will provide the food on the table directly. You have seen in the many restaurants there is a self-service. So the customer's name is called, or they are called by the order number, or we can say a table number. So in this case, we don't have to call them. Their order will be directly reach them on their table. They don't have to go anywhere. So customer will be satisfied with this product. Our weakness is that initially in this business there is more capital needed to be invested for the conveyor belts. So it is the weakness. And second thing is the technical issues. Technical issues can occur anytime, so it is little bit of risk. Opportunities for the conveyor belt is that greeting customer is needed much. For greeting there should be someone who will greet them, so it is absent over here, and there is no face to face interactions between the chef, or we can say the waiter, with the customer. So their online payment is also available. Because of this there is no interactions. Threats to the restaurant will be the other restaurants which are the competitors. and the fast food provider on the roads. Conveyor belt is only not necessary, the quality of the food is also necessary. So everything should be in a proper way so that the customer will get attracted towards our product. Estimation. Duration to build the restaurant is 4 to 5 years. It is the estimated period. Work breakdown structure. 4 year contains of planning, facilitates and marketing and food. These 4 main important roles are to be implemented in the restaurant. Then only the restaurant will work. So resource allocation, installation process, facility design and aesthetics, system, marketing planning and material requirement, all to be organized very properly. Conclusion of the 4 year, that is the conveyor belt. In this restaurant, we are providing a sushi as a dish. Sushi is the Japanese dish, so it is easy for carrying and easily provided to the customer on the conveyor belt. So happiness is the sushi on the conveyor belt. Thank you for listening my PPT.